Hello everybody, I'm Marcus Y. Rozier. I have a mission to help as many people as possible become authors. Here's why. 81% of people have a desire to write a book. Only 19% of people actually do it. So I decided to help people move from being a part of the 81% with a desire to being a part of the 19% that actually accomplished that. I was once part of that 81%. I had a desire to write a book, and it took me years to do it. I would start and stop not understanding how to do it or what I needed to do to actually accomplish it. So I set a personal goal for myself to write a book in 10 days. I wrote one chapter a day, and at the end of 10 days, my book was done and published Win the Day, 10 Strategies for a Winning Life. It went on to be a bestseller. The feeling of accomplishment felt so good that I decided to keep writing. My second published book I wrote in just one day. It's entitled The Heart Diary. If your heart could speak, what would it say? I went on from that point to write 23 books in less than 3 months. And I decided throughout that process to document everything that I did to make writing easy and to not just write, but to accomplish that. So, out of that mission, I formed Your 30-Day Book. This is where I teach you from start to finish how to, number one, discover it. How to discover your idea, your subtitle, how to figure out your writing tone, your genre. I walk you through step-by-step exercises and tips on how to do it. Number two, we move into define. This is where you figure out what separates you from everyone else and how do you develop content. So I have exercises that will walk you through how to develop your content and 5 ways to avoid writer's block. Last but not least, delivery. This is where you learn everything about publishing and your budgeting. If you are on a shoestring budget or if money is not a thing, I show you how you're able to package everything you need and what are the nuts and bolts that you absolutely have to publish a book. So, sign up today for Your 30-Day Book and don't be a part of the 81% that just desire it, but be a part of the 19% that gets it done.